Want to know how much Jack sold on the 14th in this table? Or quickly check each salesperson's total sales per day? In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to sum daily sales in Excel. Method 1. Use PivotTable. Select any cell in your data range. Go to Insert, PivotTable. Then choose where to place it and click OK. Then you need to drag fields like this. Drag the salesperson field to the rows area. Then you will see a list of unique salesperson. Drag the date field to the columns area to display all unique dates in a single row. Then drag the sales field to values. And keep the default sum option. Now, each salesperson's daily sales are neatly summarized. Super clear and automatic. Method 2. Using Excel function. Before using the formula, we need unique lists of salespersons and dates. Copy the salesperson column to a new place. Keep the copied range selected. Then go to Data. Remove duplicates. In the pop-up, click OK. A message box will then appear, displaying the number of duplicate items deleted. Click OK. Now you've got a clean list of unique names. Do the same for the date column. Copy it to a new column, then remove duplicates again. If Excel shows a warning box, select Continue with current selection. Click Remove duplicates. In the next pop-up windows, click OK in sequence. Then, copy the unique dates. Right-click a cell, for example I1. Choose Transpose Paste from the context menu. Delete the old list. Now select the first empty cell, where a salesperson and date meet. Here it's I2. Type this formula. This formula tells Excel to find all rows where the salesperson in column B matches H2. And the date in column A matches I1. Then sum all matching values in column F. Press Enter to get the first result. Here's why we use the dollar symbols in the formula. The column F, B and A are locked the entire columns, so they won't shift when copied. H2 locks the column, not the row, since all salespersons are in one column. I1 locks the row, not the column, since dates are in one row. Then fill the formula down to calculate each salesperson's daily total. And drag right to calculate other dates. Done, you've got a full daily sales summary table. PivotTable and formula work great, but if you are seeking a faster way, try Kutools for Excel. After installing Kutools for Excel, select any cell in your data range. Go to the Kutools tab. Select Merge and Split. Advanced Combine Rows. In the pop-up window, the My Data has headers box is auto-checked. Set date and salesperson as the primary key, which are the grouping conditions. Set sales to sum. For other fields like product, quantity, or price, choose Combine with comma if needed. You can even preview the result before applying it. Click OK. If your range contains formulas, Kutools will ask whether to convert them to values. Click Yes to continue. Kutools instantly merges all records of the same salesperson and date into one row. Automatically sums up the sales and combines the rest clearly. So, which method do you prefer, PivotTable, formula, or Kutools? Follow for more Excel automation and productivity tips.